Hello. Let me briefly introduce our software Altinvest. This is Excel-based model designed to create investment project budgets and to analyze project efficiency, to calculate all investment criteria and financial ratios and so on. Do every analysis used for investment project analysis. Well, let's start from the structure of this model. To describe only one project, to analyze one project, you need only one Microsoft Excel sheet. So we'll start with one sheet project in this model, and we will use only this project, only this sheet. What should you do to create your budget? First action is to set up your sheet, to set up your model, and using our dialogues, you will choose project start, project length, and currency, and so on. Next option is language of this model. You can choose one of several languages, and we do not have Polish now, but we can add it quite quickly. Then I will go through all tables now, and then I will describe structure of these tables. Then you can enter initial project status if your project has startup balance, not zero balance. You can enter it here. Inflation and macroeconomic forecasts, its currency rates, and so on. Taxes, taxes for your project. Initial investments, investment in land, buildings, equipment, plant, and so on. Then leasing, one of the main parts of the project, sales forecast, unit sales, and the price, and so we have sale forecast in currency. Details on production, prices for raw materials and suppliers. Then calculated cost of all raw materials. Other variable costs, if you have one. Then personnel for your project and wages for this personnel. Different operating costs like shops maintenance, transport, and so on, rent. Information on working capital, it's accounts receivable, stock, inventory, and so on. Equity used for this project, loans that you use to finalize investment. And then in this model you can see several result tables of your budget, summary of investments. It's a kind of big picture of your investments. Income statement, projected income statement, cash flow statement, and some predefined charts. Of course, you can add your charts with standard Excel tools, but we have a lot of predefined charts in our model. Balance sheet and financial ratios, collection of financial ratios. Cost analysis for each product, and investment efficiency. We have three tables of investment efficiency from the point of view of all investments, of equity, and of loans. And you have here payback chart, NPV, IRR, and so on. Same table for equity and the same for lenders. Small part of business valuation based on cash flow. Efficiency for government, it's taxes-based efficiency. You need it if you have some support from government and you must give some information of on your taxes, your projected taxes. One more big picture of the project, not of investments only, but of the whole project. And the last part is sensitivity analysis. In each table of this model, you have a lot of data you can enter, and for example, we can choose project investments, and now you see only total cost of each item, but you can open details and you will see how these costs are calculated, and you can change some details for this item, and the same idea realized in each table of this project. So with this model you can create very detailed, very customized model, financial model of your investment project, and you will see ready reports, budget analysis, charts, and so on, everything for this project. In addition to this analysis, you can use some service tools of our model. These tools are Project Navigator to quickly jump to each table. This is report generation. You can create report for your project, and for example this, and to send to this report some parts of your model. Then you can use these parts to copy them to Microsoft Word document, or to change their look, and so on. And on this report page you can do anything with your data, and these changes never destroy your basic model. if you have several projects and want to consolidate them, you can use our software Altinvest Soon. With this software, you can create budgets for each project, like we did right now, and then you have in this example you have 2 projects. Then you have sheet portfolio where your projects are consolidated, and so you see same budget, cash flow, income statement, all analysis and so on, but not for one project, but for 2 projects, 5 projects, and so on. With this model, you can create either budget for some holding company or just budget for a big company which has more than one project at the time.